Biological nitrogen fixation. The reduction of nitrogen into ammonia by living organism is known as biological nitrogen fixation. It occurs through symbiotic nitrogen fixation, which is legume bacteria interaction, in which bacteria gets attached to the roots of leguminous plants. Rhizobium bacteria is found to be attached to the roots of leguminous plants, and thereby they fix the nitrogen. Nodule formation. You can see in the diagram how the soil is there and root hair is present, bacteria is getting attached to root hair, then how it is working and then forming hook, and this hook is further elongated to form infection thread, and finally nodule is formed. Nodule contains all the biochemical machinery required for nitrogen fixation. It contains nitrogenase enzyme. You can see the equation, the chemical reaction equation, and later you can see in the diagram how this nitrogenase enzyme is binding to the substrate. After binding to the substrate, a reduction takes place, then second reduction, then third reduction takes place, and after third reduction you can see how nitrogen is fixed, and then in the next step the product so formed is released and the free nitrogenase complex is released, which is now available for binding, for again binding. Leg hemoglobin is also present in these nodules because these nitrogenase, it is very sensitive towards oxygen. So it requires a total anaerobic atmosphere or environment around. So leg hemoglobin is oxygen scavenger. It provides that atmosphere to nitrogenase. Fate of ammonia. Let us understand how plants use ammonia to make amino acids. First step towards this is reductive amination. You can see the reaction, how amino acid reacts with alpha ketoglutaric acid and gives glutaric acid. Second step is transamination. You can see this in the equation. In this step, transaminase enzyme is required. Here one donor and one receptor or acceptor group is present. Amino acids, an amino group from amino acid is transferred to keto group of a keto acid, and thus the formation of amino acids takes place or proteins takes place. You can see it in the equation.